Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can personalize your profile so you will be able to find items easily in Vinted. So basically click on your profile and then click on personalization, and after that you'll need to select categories and sizes. So I'm a man, I will click on men. Then I will need to select my sizes. So let's say for the men sizes I use usually XXL. And then right here you can select other sizes, as you can see, and basically if you scroll down you will see that you can choose men's shoes. So let's say I will use just check random, and what you'll need to do is basically right now you'll be personalized your right here your For You page. So basically if you go right now to the listings, you'll see some, as you can see, bigger sizes. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.